Highbanks Camping at Letchworth State Park. Open May through October. Letchworth State Park is in New York State. It is considered by many to be the Grand Canyon of the East. This video is focused on the campground itself, Highbanks Campground within Letchworth State Park. Please come back for the next two videos, which will be on our experience at the park itself. So this is the campground, the next two on the park.
Backyard composting demonstration site. Very cool.
You can see part of the fitness trail. Those yellow pieces there are part of the fitness trail that we will have a little demonstration of later. Here we are heading into the 800 loop. Our destination was site 835. We had to go pretty much all the way around the loop to get to our site. In a moment you will see there is a RV, a trailer. They were loading up water at one of the spigots in the loop. There are about 5 of them throughout the loop, not at any individual site. So you kind of have to wait while these guys do their loading up. So we had a little pause here. And we'll just continue around all the way to the opposite end of site 835. One of the things we love about our Travato, the Class B camper van, it is very easy to get set up at the site. And you'll see we just kind of back into the spot and we were pretty much done. There was no leveling to be done. The only thing we really did is we hooked up to the electric. That was it. But nice, simple, easy setup time. Back right in. We're set to go. It was obviously tiring getting those hammocks set up. And here we are heading out to explore the various loops of the park. We're showing this in a little faster speed so the video is not too long, but you will get a little biking through of all of the other 7 loops. 3, 4, 5, and 6, no pets allowed. 1, 2, 7, and 8, yes, pets allowed. Each loop has its own bathhouse. Always at home, wherever we roam. I like that flag. That's good. In some of these, you're closer to the neighbor behind you than you are to the neighbor next to you. You have trees in between the ones next to you, but not necessarily the ones behind you. No pets. Quiet hours are 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. which includes generators. Each loop has 3, 4, 5 water hookups, but not at the sites. There's water number 3. Water number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 5. There's the bathhouse. They all look pretty similar. 2 showers in the men's room that I saw this morning. I didn't pay attention to the stalls or whatnot because we have our own in the van. But there were 2 shower stalls. 2 showers in the women's room. Same in the women's.
Here's the store. They have ice, they have wood. Horseshoes. Looks like they have some caution tape on part of the playground here. Oh, there's trail number 18 right there. Trail 18. Lots of different rigs all over the place. Go from tents to small trailers, big A's, 5s. Oh, and another newer looking bathhouse. So I guess 1, 2, and 7 have gotten the upgrades. The others haven't had the upgrades yet for the bathhouses.
Welcome to Stelbot Adventures. We're here at Highbanks Campground in Letchworth State Park. In this campground there are 8 loops of campsites. Sites in the loops numbers 1, 2, 7, and 8 are dog friendly. Also, in all of the loops except 7, the roads are gravel. In loop 7, that is a paved road.
And there is one paved site in loop 7 also.
There is a bathhouse located in each loop. Loops 1, 2, and 7 have updated bathhouses where there are 4 single unit stalls that also have a shower within them.
So there are lots of trees around the sites. There is some privacy in between sites with the trees. However, some of the sites back up to sites on the other loops, and there are not trees sometimes for those. So you won't see your side neighbors, but you might see your back neighbors. Also, there is electric at each site, but no water. There are about 5 spigots spread around the loop, but not in any individual site. There is a dumpster at the end of each loop and 3 recycle cans, but this is a carry-in, carry-out state park, so there are no garbage cans in the rest of the park. Many of the sites do not look like they are very level at all. It might be difficult to level your RV in this campground. There are no like camping pads for tents or any such thing, so the leveling could be a little difficult here. Right near the road that leads to loops 3 through 6 is a camp store.
There is a recreation building which has ping pong tables inside. Couldn't see too much else because it's closed due to COVID. There's also a basketball court, court 2. There are horseshoe courts, and there is a laundry area.
There are 2 hiking trailheads that are located at the campground, one on either end. One is for hiking on trail number 17 and one is for trail number 18. In addition, there is a fitness trail within the campground itself. It's about a half-mile long on your way from the entrance of the campground to the first of the loops. Along that half-mile fitness trail, there are 20 stations where you can stop and do certain activities. And here's a few that we attempted to try. Overall, this is a pretty quiet campground, except around dinner time and early evening. That's when everyone is out and about and talking.
Overall, we have enjoyed this campground, and we hope you enjoyed it as well.
Thank you for joining Stelbot Adventures as we are camping here at Highbanks Campground.
Please subscribe below and leave any comments.
See you on the next adventure. To know how to create your own composter, here are some different types.
And go to growsolidwaste.org for more information.
Composting. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Stelbot Adventures. This is Aham. Hello. Okay. And remember, our next 2 videos coming out next week will be based on our experiences inside the entire park, so please come back for those as well. See you on the next adventure.